Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And first of all, I want to tell you that I am not a teacher here. I'm just a learner like you all and sharing my experiences and tips that I have applied, and I have seen a huge improvement in my English spoken and lifestyle as well. So let's talk about, and this is my English speaking practice session. And today we are going to talk about something meaningful. What I do generally, I just start my camera and sit down and talk to you guys. That's what we can talk. We should be spontaneous if we are doing practice of anything like English spoken. We cannot practice a language, and no, we can practice a language, but we cannot practice that the other person is going to see, and this is I'm going to reply. So that's why I just start my camera spontaneously and talk to you guys. And thank you so much for showering so much love over my previous videos. I am really grateful for all of you who have subscribed to my channel and watched my videos. And I think that is enough for the intro, guys. So today I am going to talk about something really meaningful, how you can be productive. Listen guys, there is multiple videos over YouTube how you can be productive, how can you can do this, you can do that, but no one tells you that. Some people must have told you, but the most important point, which is underrated, which is missing most of the time, is you are the hero of your story, and you will have to take the first step of doing the work. People can only motivate you, people can only give you motivation that you should do this, don't waste your time, be productive. But it's only you who can take that step, who can take that first step to do something. Like now, yeah, I have gotten motivated now, and I am going to do my work, and I'm standing up and going for my work. You will have to stand up. No one can come there and push you and bring you from your bed and push you to the work. You will yourself have to do that. There are days where even I feel that I'm not motivated. I'm so exhausted of everything. I don't want to do anything. Like today. Like it's been 2-3 days. I've gotten so much exhausted. Like nothing is working out. Like I had a let me just. So sorry for the external voice, because and I don't put cuts on in my videos because here I'm practicing a language, and if I'm speaking it live anywhere I cannot put any cuts or edits over there. So I just upload my videos as they are. So we were talking about, so there are days when you feel like vulnerable, so miserable. I don't want to do work. I don't want to do anything. Nothing is working out. And it's raining, guys, and I am so sorry. Yeah, today still I'm gonna work. Nothing can stop me. Neither my mood nor my nature. I wasn't feeling like working. I wasn't feeling like recording myself. Then I what I did, I should tell you this. So, if you don't feel like working, you will have to push yourself up, okay? Push yourself and go get that work done. If you are able to get that work done, the happiness, the dopamine hormone you will get, it will lead you to do other works as well. Trust me, it happens with me all the time. And I also do that. Yes, I do that. And I was I'm motivating myself that I should do that more. So it helps a lot. Do that work done. And if in a condition, if you are at a condition, you are not able to do that work, you feel so miserable, then leave it, guys. Leave it. You need rest. You need a holiday. Give yourself holiday. You should give yourself holiday. You cannot be so hard on yourself. If you will be so hard, what you can expect from the others? Don't be so hard on yourself. If you feel miserable, you have done a lot of work this day, or maybe you have been doing a lot of work, hard work for days. Give yourself holiday for 1 or 2 days. Leave everything as they are. Just leave it. You have done a lot of it. If you can get something out of that, you will get. By thinking, you cannot get anything. And if you will keep on doing something in a and you are in a miserable state, I don't think you can get something out of that. You know, there is a saying called done in hurry goes in vain, something like that. So don't do something in hurry or in a miserable state. So that's what I did today. I was feeling so miserable, so I wanted to take rest. I went to meet my cousin. She lives nearby. So I went to meet her, but she wasn't well. So we couldn't talk. Actually, then I came back home, and then I talked to my school friend. And the way we talk, we feel so relaxed whenever we talk to our friends. It's a natural therapy, I should say. It's something really great. We all are blessed with. School friends are the number of besties. So when we talk, we don't talk about the problems. Even if we talk about the problems, we feel this is such a mini trivial issue I was thinking about and I was considering. We forget everything. So once you forget everything, you feel so relaxed. And with that relaxed mind, you can do so many things. Always remember one thing. With this relaxed mind only you can do. The relaxed mind, the stable mind. You can work. You can get done your work so in a good thing. You know, when your mind is stable, your work is really fantastic. It gets done with a fantastically type. So that's what I'm doing. I just called her, I just talked to her, and then I started my camera on and talking to you guys. Because this is hence proved. I have experienced it right now, and I'm sharing my experience to all of you. And one more thing that just came in my mind was I am not able to recall it. What was that? When you talk to your friends, I don't know. I will be able to recall that. And time is also getting over. The video timing is getting late. So I will see you in my next video. Till then, thank you so much for watching my video, for giving your time, and spread positivity because people need that positivity a lot. Thank you so much for watching.